So, a temporary endocrine gland in the human body is pineal gland is not corpus caudicum not corpus luteum yes. So it is in females during pregnancy. So it will be act as a endocrine gland. Act as a endocrine gland. So good vision depends on adequate intake of carotene rich food. Select the best option from the following statement. Vitamin A derivatives are formed from carotene. The photopigments are embedded in the membrane discs of the inner segment. Retinol is a derivative of vitamin A. Retinol is a high absorbing part of all the visual photopigments. So retinol is a light absorbing part of the all visual. So this is wrong. So first option right, second option right, third option sorry. Retinol is derivative of vitamin A derivatives are formed from the carotene. So, okay, right one. So once again, clearly let us see this. Vitamin A derivatives are formed from carotene. Yes, right. The pigments are embedded in the membrane discs of inner. No. Retinol is a derivative of S. Correct. Retinol is a light absorbing part of all the visual photopigments. Yes. So in this way, the answer is first sentence correct, third correct, fourth correct. So the right option is here first, second, wrong, first, third, first, second, third, fourth, right. So B is the correct option. B is the correct option. So which cells of crypts of livercun secrete antibacterial lysozyme? Antibacterial lysozyme. Argentavian cells, wrong. Paneth cells, yes. Paneth cells, B is the correct answer. Option 2. A baby boy aged 2 years is admitted to play school, passes through a dental checkup. The dentist observed that the boy had 20 teeth. Which teeth are absent? So here it is a small little question. This is in, we know that the teeth are two types due to age, temporary teeth and permanent teeth. So which teeth are absent below 18, 20 means premolars. C. Premolars are absent. Premolars. Which of the following option best represent the enzyme composition of pancreatic juice? Pancreatic juice. Amylase, peptidase, trypsinogen, renin. No. Amylase, pepsin, trypsinogen, maltase. No. Peptidase, amylase, peptidase, amylase, pepsin, renin. Wrong. So lipases S, amylase S, trypsinogen, procarboxypeptidases. Yes. So D option is the right one. Fourth option is the correct. Which is ecosystem as the maximum? Which ecosystem has the maximum biomass? Maximum. So in grassland ecosystem, no. Lake ecosystem, one. So forest ecosystem have. Why? Because trees, from small herbs to shrubs to trees, all kind of different vegetarian habit organisms live in this. So that first option is the correct one. Presence of plants arranged into well-defined vertical layers depending on their height can be seen best in tropical savanna, grassland, temperate, tropical rainforest, layers. We can see that the height, tropical rainforest. So, which of the following sewage treatment removes suspended solids? Suspended solids. That's a no, 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 no. Primary treatment only. Primary treatment. Right option. So, which one of the following statement is not valid for aerosols? Aerosols. They are harmful to human health. They after alter rainfall and monsoon. They cause increased agriculture productivity. No, they may destroy the agriculture productivity. So they have negative impact on agricultural land. Yes, these A, B, D, these three are correct regarding aerosols. So the wrong one is C. So right option is C. Three. Right option is why? Because they won't increase the agricultural product. They decrease the agricultural productivity. That is you have to keep in your mind. Which of the following statement is correct? The ascending limb of loop of Henle is impermeable to water. The descending limb of loop of Henle is impermeable to water. So ascending, mm, The first one is right. Ascending limb of loop of Henle is impermeable to water. We know that in nephron, the U-shaped part is called a loop of Henle. Here, water is impermeable, not allow into this. So that A option is right one. Transplantation of tissue organs falls often due to non-acceptance by the patient's body. Sorry, which type of immune response is responsible for such rejection? So organs are not cell-mediated immune response. Cell-mediated immune response. So root hairs. Root hairs develop from the region. Easy question. So here root hairs developed from a region of mature. We know that region of elongation, region of maturation, region of division, cell division, three. But among A is the right one. Roots are developed, that is not root, so root hairs. Root hairs are developed from the mature region of root. So which of the following facilitates opening and closing of aperture? So, okay, closing, only opening they asked. Okay. Which of the following facilitates opening of stromatal aperture? Opening. Contraction of outer wall of God cells, decrease in targetity of God cells, radial orientation of cellulose microfibrils in the cell wall God cells, longitudinal orientation of cellulose fibrils in the cell wall of God cells. So, radial orientation of cellulose microfibrils in the cell wall of God cells make the opening of stromatal aperture. So capacitation occurs female reproductive tract. So, sorry, again, capacitation, this I said wrong. Epididymis was difference, yes. Was difference means after testis it should come out. Was difference is the right option. Three correct one. So out of X pairs of ribs in humans only white pairs or true ribs. Select the option that correctly represent the value of XY and provides their explanation. So x equal to 12, y equal to 7, 12 plus. So the right option is A. Two ribs are attached dorsally to vertebral column and ventrally to the sternum. Y equal to 7, x equal to 12. Which of the following is correctly matched for the product produced by the Acinetobacter aceti antibiotics? Methylobacterium, what mismatched? Okay, easily we can identify the correctly matched, correctly matched D. Saccharomyces cerevisiae, ethyl or ethanol alcohol. The option is correct one. If there are 999 bases in RNA that codes for a protein 333 amino acids. So the base at position 901, that is 901, is deleted such that the length of the RNA becomes 998 bases. How many codons will be altered? So the codons is how much altered? 33 codons will be altered. C option. So the final proof for DNA as the genetic material came from experiments. So it is a very easy question. Can Ritchie and Chase. B option is right one. Griffith conducted transformation. Avery McLeod is not. So Ritchie Chase both are final finally proved DNA as a genetic material. one. One. Mm. So, which of the following RNA should be most abundant in animal cell? tRNA not, mRNA not, miRNA not. So rRNA, ribosomal RNA is more abundant in animal cell.